right, we got a 2008 Chevrolet HHR with 143,000 miles. New car trade-in at Crown Dodge Chrysler Jeep. Pretty clean little HHR. I've never driven one of these. It's got leather seats. Leather's in real good condition. Look at this. It's got a power sunroof. Yeah, it's a real clean car. What a neat old car. Take her for a little spin. Got yeah, it's got heated seats.
Listen up, hip hop at RB and giving you a chance to win 7.
Good sounding stereo. It does have a darn check engine light on. Let's roll down the window. Go for a little ride. I've never driven one of these. This should be interesting. I will say it's a little claustrophobic. It's a little windshield. Tiny windshield. This one does have a check engine light on. It has 143,000 miles, but it purrs like a kitten, baby. Oh man, I will have to start putting on the seatbelt. I can't stand to hear that. Wonder why the check engine light's on. Might be an oxygen sensor or something minor, because it runs really, really well. It's got very cold air conditioning. Pretty sweet little ride. Let's do a little walk around. It's a sharp little HHR. Check it out. Black with the chrome wheels. It's got a good looking set of Yokohama tires on it. I mean, they look almost new all the way around. Let me see if I can figure out how to open this hood. There we go. This is a 2.4 liter Ecotec. So that's a little bigger engine. I thought it might be a 2.2, but it's a 2.4. Runs really well. It's a pretty straight, sharp little car. I kind of like this one. I don't know what the market really is. It's an LT. Not sure what the market really is on one of these. The back seat is spotless. It's like it's never been sat in. This thing runs good. Got some OnStar. Alright. Start a little 0 to 60 here. Man, this thing's got cold AC. Ooh, a little slow off the line. A little slow. But it starts building once it gets going. It's just slow as a dog off the line. It almost felt like I was taking off in second gear. Because I really only had one shift. Let's see. I'm going to manually drop it and then put it back in drive. Let's see. No, this thing is dog slow. That is to the floor, folks. To the floor. Yeah, and then there's a kind of a harsh shift to what I think's third gear. I think this thing might have some transmission issues because I'm not feeling first gear. Feels like it's starting out in second. Comment below. Let me know. HHRs, transmission woes? Question mark? I have no idea. because I know nothing about these things. Look at the sea of Audis and Volkswagens coming up for the next Volkswagen Audi sale. They run about 150 a month through here. You can get a good buy on an Audi or Volkswagen. If anybody's ever interested in one, reach out to me. I can get a hell of a deal on one. Anyway, HHR, let's move on to the next one, shall we? Peace.